In this video, let us see how to install Visual Studio Code for Windows. To install VS Code, open a browser or Chrome and type VS Code download. Click enter. There you can see the official website of Visual Studio Code. Click on it. To download the VS Code for Windows, click on Windows 10 11. Then the download process will automatically get started. As of now, I am cancelling the download because I am already downloaded the VS Code. Once the download process is completed, click on I accept the agreement and click next. Don't change anything and click again next. And if you want the VS Code in the desktop, click create a desktop icon, select that mark and click next and then click on install. Then you can see the installation process of VS Code gets completed. Once the installation process gets completed, click on open, click on finish, and then open VS Code. This is how the Visual Studio Code looks like. There you can download extensions for Python. Type Python in the extension box. Then you have to download the Python extension. Once the Python extension is gets downloaded, installed, then you can create a new file here with the extension of .py. Here let us try out a simple hello world program in Python. Click Ctrl S. Here you can run this program. Here you can see the output of this program.